Okay, you're on. So what's your name?
My name's Genie.
And where are you from?
Brooklyn, New York. Yeah.
How old are you?
I'm going to be 68 in a month. At my age to find people that are my age are like, on their vacations, like, where am I going to eat next? When's my next nap? What, and it's hard to find people. So I was a little concerned, how are the girls going to feel, about who's going to room with grandma, But, everybody's been great, and it's just that like-minded, surfing mentality.
And how long have you been surfing?
Since I was 53, so about 15 years.
I was wondering if maybe you could tell us a little bit about learning to surf after a hip replacement, and why you learned to surf, and how's your experience been?
Well, I was already surfing and got the hip replacement, and the doctor, he was not a sports guy, wasn't a sports surgeon, very good surgeon. I said, well, can I surf afterwards? And he said, no. And I said, why? He was a man of few words. He said, because you could die. Because it can get dislocated. So I would ask other surfers, like, around my age, have you ever known anybody? No, nobody knew anybody, no one. But then I went out and it was fine. Nobody ran into me, and I got more confident. But initially it was scary. And if there's waves to catch and I catch them, it's a great day. The suggestions are so spot on. I'm catching, immediately caught more waves, like 20, 30, waves in a session, more, too many to count. And before I was like, if I caught 5 or 6 waves in a session, I would be like, wow. And then the yoga really too added. I just got a new respect for it, How could I be, surfing this much without yoga, So I'm going to go back home and do more yoga on a regular basis in addition to, continuing to work out. But
You think you're volcano boarding?
Glad to be at the bottom. In one piece.
It's just beyond my wildest dreams, really. It's so much more than just surfing. It really is. It's just an everything trip, an everything trip, yeah.